Hi guys, welcome back to the KILBURN-LONG family channel. So we're here with a shopping haul from Home Bargains. So it's going to be a mixture of food and other bits and bobs, as you can tell by probably the thumbnail picture. Hello Apollo. Hello, say hello to Apollo. There he is. He's pleased that we're back, but he's just trying to get attention at the moment. Anyway, so before I start this haul, I just wanted to show you and I'll give you an update really on what it was that we did on our last product review video, which if you go back through the playlist you will see it was the DIY homemade herb making kit, and I only did that, I think it was last week, and I said to you I'd show you some of the results so far. So on the time one here, which we've got, it's got water more today, we've actually got some green showing already, look. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but that's for the time. So they're doing really, really well. They're already starting to germinate. So it's doing exactly what it says on the box with that company. So once again, that's doing really well. As I said to you, I'll give you an update through each time we do a haul. I'll keep an eye on those and see how we got on with them. Anyway, back to today's video. We have got, like I said to you, a shopping haul. There isn't any freezer bits, but we have got a mixture of food and clean items, and you can probably see in the background there a side cabinet. But as normal, the prices will be up here on your screen, and yeah, let's have a look at what it is we've got. So let's start with these seriously spreadable squares. Okay, now I only find these, obviously you don't find them in Aldi. We do quite a few Aldi hauls. We find these in Home Bargains. So they're little squares. We've got two lots of them. Bonnie really enjoys them. They're just the cream cheese, seriously strong ones, but they are really good. They are really good. I actually think they've got like a vinegary taste to them, which is what makes them different, and also it's obviously what preserves them as well. Okay, what else we got? Right, we've got some mini savoury eggs, Walls ones in there. I don't know if you can see it. I hope it's not reflecting. There we go, Walls. What else we got? We got some of the bold orange blossom and coastal cypress. Okay, I've got a fairly big bag of these, which is quite good. I think they were like between £10 and £12, something like that. But you got quite a few washes out of them, which I think was like, yeah, there you go, 59 washes. 59 washes, which is pretty good. And we got some of the Lenor Unstoppables to go with that. Oh, you smell them. Can you smell them? Oh, I can smell these when you open the lid. Has it got a... Oh, I'm gonna... No, that's not going to do anything. Oh, wait, just squeeze and sniff. Okay, I'm doing that, but... Oh, yeah. Yeah, they smell really good. Nice. Nice. Right, okay. Guys, that's normal. The pepperonis. Lucas loves them. Get them in every home. Normally, if it's Aldi's, we do the meat stirs. If it's somewhere else, we get the pepperonis. Okay, we got some of the Pampers baby wipes. Now, I think in the last haul we did, we got some fragranced ones and unfragranced ones. But every time we go, we just try to keep stocked up. So that's why we get some more as we go. And also, we've got to start stocking up again because Jen's having another baby. So that's going to be all fun, more to add, more haul. Right, we've got some of this. We thought we would try this. This is the washing machine cleaner. Okay, it's the Fabuloso one. We've never tried it before. It'll be interesting to see it, especially here because we live in a hard water area in this part of the UK. Up north, you don't really have that issue. It's soft water, and everybody knows Scotland's tap water is the best. By the way, commiserations to Scotland for going out of the Euros last night. It is what it is. 12 times we've been in a major championship. 12 times. We've never got past the first round, but hey ho, we go again. Right, Jen's also got picked up some cleansing wipes, okay, for the face. So, yeah. What else? We've got some Hellmann's mayonnaise. No light one this time, which is good. I don't really like the light one. It's in the jar. I prefer the squeezy bottle, but Home Bargains do not do the squeezy bit. Well, not that we can see anyway. They had this on Starbuy, the Radox shower gel, big one, smells good. They had a new one out though. That smells good. It was like an orange bottle, Radox. It was had like a coastal smell. When I went to smell it, couldn't really smell it, so we just left it and didn't bother buying it. Right, apparently these nappies are really good at Home Bargains. Now, I don't think we've ever used them. I think this is the first time we've actually used them, and Jen said that she's seen online that they're really good. If you do use these and you do think they're good, or even if you don't, leave us a comment and let us know what you think of these premium nappies from Home Bargains. It'll be interesting to see what people's thoughts are on them, because I know different children, different nappies, it all works depending on the child and the build and all the rest of it. Some say some leak, some say some don't. It really is personal preference. That's what we found anyway. So anyway, we've got 2 lots of those. Right, we've got a little cup, a little newbie cup. Now, with this newbie cup, okay, you flip it and there's the lid, so it stops it from leaking. Now, someone did say, well, my brother-in-law actually said, that he's got a toddler and sometimes he struggles to open this lid and close this lid. So I can understand why that might be a problem for some people, but if you've got a baby that's not quite doing that and you want to be sort of in control of when they're having the fluid, that's quite handy. Plus also it stops it from getting dirty, doesn't it? Particularly when they first start crawling, which is really handy. Right, we also picked up the Lush Lawn Grass Seed. We've only got a little box, we've only got a few patches to do out there. I think it was 99 pence. Can't remember. You'll see it up here. I can't remember, but I'll see when we edit the video. Now, we did buy some of this before and it was okay, it did the job. So I thought, why not give that another go? What else you got? Some Nurofen. Now, this was a bit more expensive than the Calpol, but we find that this works better for Bonnie, and so that's why I said it's worth paying the extra money, because who wants to see their child in pain? Not only do they not want to see their child in pain, who wants them to be screaming down the house because they're in pain? Nobody wants that. Get yourself some Nurofen if you find the Calpol doesn't work. Okay, right guys, noodles. Oh, I'm just dropping stuff now. Right, the spicy South Korean ones that Lucas really likes, and some of the cocoa ones. Lucas likes them because they're really, really spicy, but I can't always eat them, so we just grabbed some of those as well. Why not? What else we got? Right, we've got a birthday card, 59p. Can't go wrong with that. I like the kids to make their own, so we've got some diamond painting sets. I might still do a couple of videos on that diamond painting set. Not too sure, but they do their own birthday cards, and we actually went to the works and got some of the envelopes and stuff like that. So they can use the little drills from that set to make, like, make the cards and, other stuff that we've got in our art store, if you like. Right, we was going around the shop and Bonnie clocked this Simba teddy. It makes a little noise. I'll hold Push's paw. Yeah. Does a little roll, little laugh, and a little roll. So she really liked that, actually. And do you know what? It's soft. It's actually a really... Alright, Simba. You can be quiet now, do you know what I mean? Trying to get his 15 minutes of YouTube videos in there. Anyway, it's a really good one. Bonnie had it in the trolley all the way around the shop, and she really quite liked it. So we decided, why not? We'll buy it. We'll maybe put it by for her birthday. Okay, we also got her the sensory book, What Does Kitten Like? Okay, so it's got like the fluffy, the fluffy bits, or the sensory stuff that a lot of these sensory books have for kids, which is pretty good, really. It says great value, £2.49, so you can actually see the price on there. That's good. And we got we've got this, the Teletubby set. Bonnie's right into Teletubbies at the moment, and so we thought we should just get her that for her birthday. The chunky, so that's quite good, because then they can't, choke on any bits or what have you, so that's pretty good. It's got all 4 of them. Includes a colourful playmat as well, so we'll see how she gets on with that. Guys, we have got, so I was saying to you earlier about the diamond painting thing, okay, and we did one on Taylor Swift for Eliza's bedroom, because we've just done a room up, and so what we said was, rather than just getting her a poster, we'll get her something that she can do. So it's pretty much make your own poster, but once she did it, she needed to put it in a frame, so we actually went and got a frame for that. And we did say that Home Bargains was going to be the best place to get it. A lot of our furniture is white, so we went for the white frame, which was really good. I'm going to get that back in now, am I? No. Right, okay. Some socks, guys. Ankle socks, £3. It's really hot out there today, and it's obviously in the summer, so summertime, so obviously ankle socks the way forward. Nobody wants to be wearing chunky, thick socks on days like these. Probably the hottest day of the year so far today, to be honest. We also have only the best Highland Spring. Okay, now they do their own version of water up at Home Bargains, and quite a lot of places do their own home version of water, particularly Aldi. We had some in the last shopping haul, and a lot cheaper. But because we're in Home Bargains, I can't resist getting some Highland Spring because it is my favourite, and it's got nothing to do with just being Scottish, by the way. I just like Highland Spring water. Right, okay, right. Eliza wanted a new lunchbox, so we got her a new lunchbox. It's fairly decent. It's just a basic lunchbox. There's nothing, you know, it's got the foil inside. There we go. Basic really. It says 1 in a melon. Okay, 1 in a melon. We think she'll like it. She'll see it when she gets home from school. What else? Right, I picked up some Nivea for Men deodorant. I'll tell you what, let's have a little spray of that. As soon as I can actually open it. There we go. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, nice. Makes a change from Ryguard or whatever it is that I keep getting. Okay, we've got some Dettol multi-purpose cleaner. Okay, and we got some of the Pink Blossom Oxy Active one as well. That's fabric stain remover, not multi cleaner. Don't be putting that on. Don't be getting them mixed up around. This is the sort of thing I would do. I've been known to do stuff like that before. Right, Dr Pepper, because we didn't get any fizzy juice in our Aldi haul. Don't know if you noticed that, we only got water. So we got some Dr Pepper in that one. And we also got Bonnie, another little present for her birthday, a little jigsaw puzzle, which she's getting to that age where she can do all that, so and grip and hold and put things in. So we've got a little dinosaur one, that's nice. And guys, we also got, I don't really want to move it too much because it was actually burst in the shop. Oh dear. Now some of you would have seen that we've got cockatiels and we use wooden cat litter, okay, for the base of their cage because 1, it's cheaper, 2, they like pecking at it, and 3, it's not harmful for them. So we use the wooden pellets at the bottom of the cockatiel cage. And it's never been a problem, so that's good. They had that in there. I think it was maybe £4 something, £3 something. Can't remember exactly. Right, and last but not least, guys, it's the tray table, okay? We've got this tray table. I think it was £15. It's just a small one, as you can see, right? But we already got one of these before, and Jen has got one on her side of the bed. I don't have anything, so I thought I'd grab that and give that a little try out. I mean, Jen's has lasted, so why won't mine? I'm looking forward to getting that set up, actually, because at the moment I just keep putting stuff on the floor, my smartwatch and everything else, so it'll stop it from getting broken, so that's actually really quite handy. I might do an unboxing video on it. I mean, there's not much to see, it's a table, but if you would like me to do an unboxing video on it, just so you guys can see it, leave a message in the comments, and I will do that. But yeah, unless, of course, you're commenting a bit late and I've already decided I'm going to do it anyway. Yeah, that's just the way it is. Anyway, that is it for today's haul. Now, I think we spent about £120, something like that. But I still don't think it's too bad considering what it is that we got. And like I said, that was £15, that. And it isn't just all food, is it? So, you know, it is the bits that you would normally go for when you go to it and get when you're at those sort of stores like Home Bargains. But I am pleased for what it is that we got. We managed to get a couple of the birthday presents for Eliza, and we managed to get for Bonnie, and we managed to get the frame for Eliza, and you know, a few other bits as well, and especially the water, because on days like today when it is absolutely roasting outside and we've got nothing in the fridge because the one from the Aldi haul already went, so you know, it's good to actually finally get some of those. Anyway, that is it for this haul. The next video, it could be the unboxing of the tray, it could be a shopping haul, or it could be a little bit of me chatting about the diamond painting and just going through it a little bit, because at the moment we're working on Highland Cattle. It's actually a really nice one, but I'm not sure I want to add it into the video or not, or I might do it with the kids, I don't know, or it might just be a shopping haul like I said. But that is it for today anyway. And I've showed you the update on the herbs, but that's it. So I guess I will see you again, guys, on the next video. Ta-ra for now.